crime, the cavity's not there. You may seek him in a basement, you may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, the cavity's not there. The cavity's a ginger cat, he's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined in thought, his head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. The cavity, there's no one like the cavity. Oh, he's a fiend in like shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in the by-street, you may see him in the square. But when a crime's discovered, then the cavity's not there. He's outwardly respectable. I know he cheats at cards. And his footprints are not found in any bags or Scotland yards. And when the larder's looted, or the fuel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another peach being stifled, or the greenhouse glass is broken, and the trellis past repair, there's the wonder of the thing, the cavity's not there. The cavity, there's no one like my cavity. There never was a cat for such deceitfulness and subtlety. He always has an alibi and one or two spare. Whatever time the deed took place, the cavity wasn't there. And they say that all the castle's wicked deeds are widely known. I might mention Mungo Jerry, Rumble Teaser, Griddlebone are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls the operations, the Napoleon of crime. Not there.